Hi everyone, this is Dr. Chandramouli. Today we are going to talk about a very good topic, management concepts from a drop of Tirukkural. Everyone have the confusion. How Tirukkural and management concepts can merge. Most of the management concepts which was discussed earlier and it was clearly mentioned in Tirukkural 2000 years before. Due to migration of the Western country authors towards Indian management, we are following more number of Western management thoughts. But when we are reading the concepts given by Thiruvalluvar, there is lot of leadership concepts, decision making techniques, motivational concepts, leadership qualities, perception, personality development, and how the people has to behave in the organization and what type of decision they have to take, each and everything, it is clearly mentioned in the Tirukkural. Today we are going to discuss about only one particular concept, that is called POSTCORB, POSTCORB, that is acronym. You people, most of the MBA students, those students who studied principles of management, they know very well about this particular acronym, POSTCORB, POSTCORB. This is a acronym which is easy to understand about what is management concepts. These particular things were discovered and who was introduced by this concept, we call them as an Western country author. He has introduced more number of concepts like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling or coordinating, budgeting and reporting. All these first letter and make it as a small acronym, we call them as a POSTCORB. This particular POSTCORB was introduced by one of the Western country authors who came from America, US. We are following that even now, past 20 to 30 years, once a MBA was introduced in our education system, most of them following these particular concepts till now. But we are having more number of management techniques which is already existing in our Tamil literature, Tirukkural. In Tirukkural, there is more than 130 couplets are there. Each and every couplets have 10 kurals. When you talk about the each and every kural, we can easily know that each and every kural given by Thiruvalluvar is equal to our human life. If anybody want to live in this whole world, if anybody want to know about the concept of human beings, if anybody want to know about the concept of manager or a leader, if you read a Tirukkural, each and every kural has clearly defined and clearly explained about that, how we can live and how we can behave in the company, how we can show our personality development, how we can show our quality in the character, and how we can develop our attitude, and how we can focusing on education systems. So each and everything has clearly mentioned by the great person who we call them as an Thiruvalluvar in a Tirukkural, how many years before? 2000 years before. But what we are following now, just 100 years before, the person who came from Western countries and given a different concepts. We can give more example like Henry Fayol's, F.W. Taylor's motivational theory, and Peter Drucker, and all these people, those who came recently from the Western countries and migrated here and given a lot of ideas which was already researched in an existing scenario and given as a concepts what we are reading and what we are following in the industries nowadays. But Thiruvalluvar has clearly given an excellent explanation about these management concepts 2000 years before. Let me come to the management concepts. How? I am going to talk about only few concepts, that is called POSTCORB. How this POSTCORB is clearly mentioned by Thiruvalluvar in a Kural. The first one, P, is nothing but planning. Planning, as you know very well, When we want to do any process, when we want to do anything, we supposed to plan in advance. Without planning, obviously, that particular process will not end with successful. Planning is very important, not only for the company's point of view, even for each and every people living in this world. When you want to do something, we have to plan very well. If you want to go, if you want to watch movie, how we are planning, collecting all our friends and booking the tickets, and we have to go by vehicle or something, how we are planning for just seeing even a picture like that. Planning is a very big concept. When you are doing any process, the first process by the management concepts, we call them as planning. Let me see that how this planning was clearly given by Thiruvallur 2000 years before. In the Kural 471 in Kural, he had clearly given how to plan. Vinay valiyum, tan valiyum, matran valiyum, tunai valiyum, tukki chayal. I repeat this. Vinay valiyum, tan valiyum, matran valiyum, tunai valiyum, tukki chayal. He was given this excellent explanation about the planning 2000 years ago by Thiruvallur. The Kural number is 471. What he is told, the strength of the particular process or a project, the strength of our own themselves, individual, and strength of the opponents, and the strengths of the partners, those who are supporting for that, has to be clearly weighted. That is called pre-planned. We have to plan perfectly when we are doing any process. That is the first concept. He is given an excellent explanation in that particular Tirukkural. The next one is O. O is nothing but organizing. The Western country authors telling about the organizing. Once the planning is over, we are supposed to go for organizing concept. What is organizing? We have to organize each and everything. In a company, the organizing the thing is very, very sequentially we have to arrange. We have to organize everything to achieving the goals without having any hurdles. If you want to reach your goals, planning itself is not supporting you. Once you plan, we have to organize based upon the planning. This was given by the Western country authors. How Thiruvallur has given an excellent explanation of this organizing, let me see that how this organizing is given by the Thiruvallur. He has given an excellent explanation in the Kural 382. What is the Kural is telling? Anjamai, Eegai, Arivukam, இந்நான்கும் எஞ்சாமை வேந்தற்கு இயல்பு. I repeat this Kural number 382. அஞ்சாமை, ஈகை, அறிவூக்கம், இந்நான்கும் எஞ்சாமை வேந்தற்கு இயல்பு. Anjamai, the boldness. The boldness is very important for the leader or a person who is doing any process. Eegai, the person whom we call them as an own themselves, self-motivation or self-confident. Eegai. Arivu, knowledge, that skill is very important for the people. Ukam, motivational concepts. What's the explanation given by Thiruvallur for this particular Kural is the strength of the project and the strength of our own has to be equal. These all the four together and organize perfectly, and we can achieving this goal successfully. I will repeat this Kural for the organizing. Anjamai, Eegai, Arivukam, இந்நான்கும் எஞ்சாமை வேந்தற்கு இயல்பு. வேந்தற்கு means who we call them as a customer or a consumer or a client or a third person who is the end user, whoever it may be. When we are doing proper organize, obviously it will reach successfully for the next level. That is called second concept. We call them as an organizing. The third one in the Western country authors, the third one, staffing. POS. S is nothing but staffing. Allocating the job for the particular person who is eligible for the job. That is called staffing. Who will do this in the company? The HR department will clearly do that by using a selection recruitment process. They will do the selection process, staffing. Who know this job very well? That person has to be allocated. Whether he is eligible for the job, whether he is having the qualification for the job, whether he is having the skills for the job, the HR has to clearly test that person and the job has been allocated. That is called staffing. That is called a Western country's explanation. what Thiruvalur is telling for the staffing, in the 2000 years ago, he is given an excellent kural for the staffing process. Let me see that how this, he has given a lot of things. Kural number 504, Gunam Nadi, Kutramum Nadi, Avatrul, Mihai Nadi Mikka Kolal. I repeat this Kural 504, Gunam Nadi, Kutramum Nadi, Avatrul, Mihai Nadi Mikka Kolal. What is the explanation of this Kural? Let a king or a person or a manager or a leader, whoever it may be, consider the good quality of the person. The quality is very important for a person, as well as the faults, and they have to judge them, the character, whether he is suitable for the job. Gunam Nadi, Gunam we call them as an attitude, as a character. Gunam Nadi, Kutramum Nadi, whether this guy already did any mistakes. We have to check both strength and weakness of a person. Thiruvalur clearly explained within 2 words, Gunam Nadi, Kutramum Nadi, strength and weakness of the person. And then, if he is suitable for the particular job, immediately we can give the job. That is called staffing. I repeat this Kural 504, for the particular word, we call them as staffing concepts. Gunam Nadi, Kutramum Nadi, Avatrul, Mihai Nadi Mikka Kolal. Let me go for the 4th one. P, planning is over, organizing is over, staffing is over. Next one is D, directing. Who is doing the directing purpose? The person who is the head of the department or the head of the company or the head of the institution or the head of the particular group of people, they have to direct themselves. Directing in the sense, who we call them as a leader. Directing is very important. He is the first person taking care of all the people behind them. If the director doing a mistakes, obviously that mistakes is reflecting the people, those who are believing the leader. So directing is a very important concept. Who is the director of the home? Obviously we call them as a father. If father did a mistake, that will affect the son and daughter. If a teacher did a mistake, that will affect the student. If a prime minister or the chief minister did a mistake, obviously that will affect the whole people living in this country. So director who is taking care of the whole, we call them as a leader. This is a Western country explanation, Western country author's explanation. What Thiruvalur tell about this staffing, let me see that what is a Kural. We call them as an எல்லார்க்கும் எல்லாம் நிகழ்பவை எஞ்ஞான்றும் வல்லறிதல் வேந்தன் தொழில். எல்லார்க்கும் எல்லாம் நிகழ்பவை எஞ்ஞான்றும் வல்லறிதல் வேந்தன் தொழில். He has clearly explained in the Kural 582. I forgot to tell one more thing. In the previous one, what we call them as in staffing. Another one more Kural, he has clearly given explanation about the staffing. I forgot to tell this. Please note down, this is very, very important. Everyone cross this particular Kural often from the childhood onwards. When your schools, in your colleges, when you are reading Tamil, definitely this particular Kural is the most important for staffing purpose. இதனால் இவன் முடிக்கும் என்றாய்ந்து அதனை அவன் கண் விடல். Kural 517. 517 Kural. What he is telling about the staffing, இதனால் இவன் முடிக்கும் என்று ஆராய்ந்து we have to research, அதனை அவன் கண் விடல். If the person is eligible or ability to do this particular work, if you find out that he is a person who is suitable for this particular work, you can give and allocating that particular work to this person. இதனால் இவன் முடிக்கும் என்று ஆய்ந்து research over that, அதனை அவன் கண் விடல். He has given excellent explanation 2000 years before for the particular word what we call them as staffing. So again we come back to the directing purpose. Directing, Thiruvalur has clearly given the good explanation about the directing in the Kural 582. What is that? எல்லார்க்கும் எல்லாம் நிகழ்பவை எஞ்ஞான்றும் வல்லறிதல் வேந்தன் தொழில். Who is வேந்தன்? Who we call them as a leader. In the particular Kural 582, he is giving a good explanation about the directing. Let me see that what he is telling, what type of explanation he had given for that. A leader should know what is happening to everybody at all times. Leader should know nook and corner, A to Z of the person, those who are acting as a subordinate for them. If I am a leader of the company, I have 50 subordinates under me, I am supposed to know A to Z and needs and wants of the people, those who are behind me as a subordinates. So, as a leader should know happening. எல்லாருக்கும் எல்லாம் நிகழ்பவை என் ஞான்று he has to know, the leader has to know. வல்லறிதல், who is having the ability to know about the people expectations, needs and wants, who is believing that king, வேந்தன் தொழில், that is a job of the king. வேந்தன், who you call them as a leader. தொழில் means we call them as a job. Again repeat this particular குறள் for the directing 582. எல்லாருக்கும் எல்லாம் நிகழ்பவை எஞ்ஞான்றும் வல்லறிதல் வேந்தன் தொழில். This is an excellent explanation given by Thiruvallur. A good leader should have the knowledge, should have the ability, should have the skill of everything that happens under him, around him. The only he can direct the subjects in the right direction. The person who is the right person for the right job, doing the right direction, who we call them as a director or a direction. If we take a film, cine industry's film, we never know who is director, because director always behind the screen. Once this particular film successfully running in the theatre for more than 100 days, then only we come to know who is the director. So director never show his face to the subordinates or the environment or the public. He has to do everything behind the screen successful for the job. So director job is very important in the management concepts. The same explanation given by Thiruvallur in 2000 years ago very clearly. So P, planning, O, organizing, D, directing, S, staffing, and D, directing had completed. The next C, O, we call them as a coordination. I should always coordinate with my staff member. For example, if you take a chief minister of the particular state, the chief minister should not take any decision without consulting with the people. If he is not discussing anything with anybody, obviously what will happen? That is not a good leader. He is doing the job in a monarchy type of kingdom. So, as a leader, the leader should discuss with the subordinates. The leader should discuss with the people. The leader should discuss with all the eligible person who is suitable for this, and he has to take the decision, or otherwise he is not a good leader. So coordination is very important. Coordination is, if you take an example, cricket match, 11 members are playing the cricket. If any one individual not coordinating other 10 people, obviously the India will never get a cup, never won the game. If you take football, if you take any game, coordination is very important. If you take a dance program in a dance TV shows, 5 people are dancing. If one person not doing the steps properly, what the judges will tell the clear explanation, coordination is missing. So coordination always boosts up the whole group or a team to the next level. One individual showing 100% perfection will not help. The whole people working in a company has to do the job very perfectly in a coordinate, synchronizing or coordination with the people. Coordination is very important by this explanation given to Western management. What Thiruvallur is telling about the coordination, let me see. What is that Kural? In Kural number 568, இணைத்தாற்றி எண்ணாத வேந்தன் சினைத்தாற்றி சீரற் சிறகும் திரு. I will repeat again. இணைத்தாற்றி எண்ணா வேந்தன். இணைத்தாற்றி எண்ணா வேந்தன். Vendan we call them as a leader. சினைத்தாற்றி சீரற் சிறகும் திரு. If a king never discuss anything with the ministers or a co-ministers or MLAs or MPs or whoever it may be, obviously that CM is not a good CM. The CM never take a good decision. That is the explanation given by Thiruvallur 2000 years before in the Kural, particular Kural. What he is telling, a leader who does not consult his associates, who we call them as subordinates or a next level people, will function with anger and reduce the capital in the sense amount, or it may be whatever you can consider based upon it. If the father never discuss with the mother, the father never discuss with the son or a daughter in a family, obviously the family never get a profit. Obviously the family never be happy. As a father, each and every decision taken by the father should discuss with mother, or should discuss with son or a daughter or grandfather or the grandmother. Then only that decision is very perfect. It is called coordination. The one more kural given by the coordination, what we call them as in 677. செய்வினை செய்வான் செயன்முறை அவ்வினை உள்ளறிவான் உள்ளம் கொளல். I repeat this kural, 677. செய்வினை செய்வான், செய்வினை, the doing the job, who is doing the job, செய்வான், செயன்முறை, how the process of these things, செயன்முறை, அவ்வினை உள்ளறிவான் உள்ளம் கொளல். உள்ளறிவான் உள்ளம் கொளல். What is the meaning? You know that clearly given by the Thiruvallur in this particular one. The method of performance, the method in the sense, the process, the steps, the method of performance for one who is begun to act as ascertain the mind of him who knows the secret thereof. Doing the things. If the Prime Minister doing anything without consulting with the people, obviously what will happen? We don't know. Even if you take the COVID system, what we are facing the problem nowadays. Without getting the confirmation from the Chief Minister of each and every state, the Prime Minister took the decision alone. Obviously what will happen? Everyone against the Prime Minister. But Prime Minister has taken a good decision along with all the people and discussed through video conference regularly and taking a decision very smoothly. That is the reason we have a good coordination. Prime Minister in Delhi, we are in Tamil Nadu, how we are supporting. Why? Because he is taking a decision with proper coordination. If coordination is missing, what will happen? Everyone will get the COVID issue. We are following what they are telling. They are also following what we are doing. So this is called give and take policy, or otherwise there is a coordination will miss. That will not help for the good result. So P, planning. O, organizing. S, staffing. D, directing. C, O, coordinating. The last two, one is reporting and budgeting. Reporting is very important. Reporting in the sense, everyday report. Have you seen that in a daily news channels by sharply 6 o'clock, the health ministers or health department people telling about the daily status report of the COVID-19? Or otherwise, how people will aware about that? As a leader, as a top level people, they should report on the day. They should report every day. If a marketing manager has to get the report from the marketing executive, the marketing executive has to get the report from the customers. This marketing manager has to give the report to the top level management of the company. The company has to tell the report to the partnership or a GM of the particular company. Then only the process will go very smoothly. If they are missing the reporting, the status report or daily status report is not given properly, what will happen? There is no chance of maintaining that process. What all the things we know, we should not report, we have to report, or otherwise we don't have the evidence what we did. So reporting is very important. This explanation given by the management concepts recently by the particular Western country author. What Thiruvallur is telling about the reporting, that is, he had given excellent explanation 2000 years before what is reporting. Let me see that what is reporting. In Kural number 663, he has given கடை கொட்கச் செய்தக்க தான்மை இடை கொட்கின் எற்றா விழுமின் தரும். I repeat this Kural 663. கடை கொட்க செய்தக்க தான்மை இடை கொட்கின் எற்றா விழும் தரும். What's the explanation? You know, this is applicable in certain war times. A military strategic operations which should never be disclosed till successfully executed. If I am a leader, I have to complete my process. At the end of the process, I have to give the report to the people. You know very well, in the MBA department, students, those who are doing a project, what is a project report? If you are doing a lab, the lab manual report. Report in the sense, once a process is over, at the end of the day, they have to give. Thiruvallur has given 2000 years before what is reporting. கடை கொட்க செய்தக்க தான்மை இடை கொட்கின் எற்றா விழுமின் தரும். He has given excellent explanation in the Kural 663. The last one, budgeting, what we call them as a cost, the price, money. Budgeting is very important. B is a budgeting in the sense, without budgeting, there is no chance of successfully run any process of any job or any work. Budgeting is very important. Budget may be high or budget may be medium, budget may be low, but budgeting is very important for all the process. If you don't have budget, if you don't have money, planning will not work. Organizing is not problem. Organizing will not do. Staffing is also the very, very tough. We are not able to give salary. Directing, leadership, they never show the 100% quality towards a job because without having a salary. So budgeting is very important. This explanation given by Western country authors. What Tiruvallur say about this budgeting, that is very important. We are going to see what is budgeting. Kural 478. ஆகாறு அளவிட்டி தாயுனும் கேடில்லா போகாறு அகலாக்கடை. I repeat this. What is explanation given in the Quran 478? ஆகாறு அளவிட்டி தாயுனும் கேடில்லை போகாறு அகலாக்கடை. What is the explanation? Even though the income is small, it will not cause his ruin if his outgoing be not larger than the income. What is clearly given? Minimum income, maximum expenses. Obviously, it will go in a wrong way. Minimum expenses, maximum income, always giving a good chance for sustainability of the company. I am doing a job very perfectly. I planned everything. I organized everything. I had allocating a staff for each and everything. There is a very good coordination. But the income is very, very less. Our investment is more. Obviously, what will happen? The graph will always decline. If the graph has to always go high, what you have to do? Minimum income, maximum output. Minimum input and maximum output, that we call. When you are investing minimum and getting the profit in a high level, obviously that is called good budgeting. He has given a clear explanation. ஆகாறு அளவிட்டி, we have to calculate அளவிட்டி. தாயினும் கேடில்லை, அளவிட்டி, we have to arrange everything for the budget. போகாறு அகலாக்கடை, if it is not going, obviously we never get a proper output. He has clearly an excellent explanation 2000 years ago by Tiruvallur about budgeting. The last, we are coming to the conclusion part. What is that? What is the conclusion? He is giving another concepts. What is that? He has given lot of things. So, post-crop planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordination, reporting, budgeting. These 7 management concepts, how the companies nowadays running only by using these 7 concepts just given by Western country author. For this 7, Tiruvallur has given an excellent explanation. How many years before? 2000 years before. We have to proud. We are living in this country. We have a very good person like Tiruvallur has given an excellent explanation. Not only this particular 7 Kural, all the couplers has given a clear-cut explanation how to run the country, how to run the family, how to run the company, and how to talk to the people. Each and everything we can learn from Tiruvallur itself. He has given excellent explanation. We have come to the conclusion part. Finally, I want to tell one good, excellent Kural given by Tiruvallur even for our current issue, what we are facing, Corona, COVID-19. What is that? நோய் நாடி நோய் முதல் நாடி அத்துணிக்கும் வாய் நாடி வாய்ப்பச் செயல். In the Kural 948, he has given an excellent explanation for the MBBS doctors. How many years? 2000 years ago. Now we are having lot of NEET, all these things are there. But he is not a doctor, he is not an educated person, but he has given an excellent explanation in a 7 words, in a 2 lines, 2000 years before. When the doctor is checking the patient, he has to know how this disease came and for what reason the disease came. They have to analyze. Noi nadi, noi mudal nadi, where it came. The COVID came from China. Who is the person spreading this COVID all over the whole world? People are suffering because of the COVID. We have to find out. Why? China people eating more number of snakes in the food. How the snakes get this? The snakes always eat bat, vavval, bat. How the bat will get? Because of the metabolism of the body. So, noi nadi, noi mudal nadi, where it was migrated, noi mudal nadi, adu tanikkum, vai nadi vaipach செயல். Let the physician or a doctor inquire into nature of the disease, where the disease was came, from where the disease was came, its cause, and its methods of cure, and treat it faithfully according to the medical rule. So, this is a Excellent Kural number 948 given by Thiruvalluvar 2000 years ago. What we are facing the problem now, COVID issue. நோய் நாடி நோய் முதல் நாடி அது தணிக்கும் வாய் நாடி வாய்ப்பச் செயல். From 941 to 950 Kural, all these 10 Kural you telling about the disease, how we have to protect the disease, how we have to protect away from the disease, how we have to take care themselves. If you read this 10 Kural in this particular chapter 941 to 950, your health will be excellent. No need to go for doctors. He's given very good explanation. So it's a very good chance to tell about comparative study with the management concepts from the drop of Thiruvalluvar. Just a 10 Kural I took that for planning, staffing, directing, controlling, organizing, all these things. So I hope you enjoy this session. Let me see in the next session with a good topic. Thank you very much for the listening. Please share this to all your friends. Very good, and thank you very much. I kindly request you to subscribe this channel. Thank you. We will meet you in the another occasion with a good topic. Thank you.